looking forward to this match coming up all night long. Our first tag team match of the evening here at Chosen Pro Wrestling. This match coming up all night from bell to bell. Came up short on the victory end. But ladies and gentlemen, I have been looking forward to this match coming up all night long. Our first tag team match of the evening here at Chosen Pro Wrestling.
Singles matches we have here tonight. But who's ready for some tag match here?
I am. I said that already.
Got to give credit to the set guy.
Introducing first, from the Pine Barrens, the Sons of the Pine.
We saw the Sons of the Pine out here earlier as they got involved in a matchup. Screwed Elijah Eden out of a win, wouldn't you say, Alex?
Absolutely. I'm very curious to see what they are capable of within the context of a proper wrestling match.
They say that they love all of us. Well, Pete, since they love you, why don't you go hang out with them?
Listen, I'm good. Steve Cooper, the one with the long beard and bandana. Oliver, the no-soul ginger in the plaid. And James Darkmore, the leader of the Sons of the Pine.
Well, judging by the way James Darkmore is dressed out here, he must be a fan of Brett Favre wearing all that Wrangler. They're going to square off with the Audacity here momentarily. I don't know how Samira's standing in that ring with those freaks. You've always got the scoop. Tell us a little bit about the Audacity.
The Audacity, former NYWC Tag Team Champions. And for those of you not familiar with the New York Wrestling Connection, the NYWC training facility out in Long Island, trained such stars as Mikey. Men like Cardona, Kurt Hawkins, Mikey Whipwreck, also.
Silver and Reynolds.
Bull James, Silver and Reynolds that we see on AEW television. All of these people have come through the doors of the NYWC.
A referee is going to have to take some control of this matchup in the early goings. One man in, one man out.
Well, the bell has sounded. Referee very lenient. So, we got action on the outside. And a meeting of the minds. The referee not trying to do anything to get some order here.
And that member of the Audacity on the outside, that is Seth Cortez, his brother Micah Cortez, the one scaling the ropes right now.
On a senton off the top rope to the outside.
Almost took the roof off the Bayville Elks Lodge.
Almost lost this building once without trying to do it twice. And of course, the tag team division just establishing here. Great tag team tandem offense by the Audacity.
These two men very, very inspired by one of my favorite anti-heroes, Casey Jones.
Good anti-hero to have.
Seth Cortez, that beautiful elbow, and Micah Oh, went for that spinning heel kick.
Wait, James Darkmore, he grabbed a leg.
No, that right there, Steve Cooper. Darkmore's on the outside.
No, I'm saying he grabbed a leg of one of the Audacity. Referee saw him and didn't throw him out.
Go tell him something, Al.
Well, this referee didn't graduate from the Al Stevens School of Officiating.
Beautiful double suplex there from the Sons of the Pine. I've done some hiking in the Pine Barrens here in South Jersey before, and I can say the way that those trees cast shadows, the way that the fog rolls in, can really do something to a man's mind.
It didn't do anything to your mind.
Not that you know of.
Well, listen, Oliver already has no soul. We all know gingers don't have soul.
You've been listening to too much Eric Cartman.
He's never steered me wrong yet. I ask you one question.
Yeah?
What would Brian Boitano do if he was here today?
I have no clue, but
Exactly.
big leg drop to the back of the neck. See a cover. Only a 2 count. And here we go. The Audacity have to fight a numbers game. Anytime you have a third man on the outside.
Certainly always have to have a set of eyes in the back of your head. A flurry of chops here from Steve Cooper.
And the tag to Oliver. These boys, they sure do love their Wrangler jeans and a double chop.
These guys might be, I don't know, related to Waylon Mercy in some way.
Could be.
Uppercut there from Oliver.
I'm surprised we haven't seen them chewing any tobacco out here.
That wouldn't be very sanitary. I mean, someone has to mop that ring up.
That's
at the
how
end of the night.
that's how COVID started. You don't want that again.
You know, we could go to the Bayville EMS a couple blocks away and grab all those jugs of Fabuloso. Pinfall here. Only a 2 count.
And Seth Cortez needs to make that tag to his brother.
And of course, as you mentioned earlier, Pete, the Audacity, they are a decorated tag team.
Yes.
As you said, the former NYWC tag team champions. And we know the lineage that those belts have had. This crowd trying to get the Audacity back into the match here.
You know, guys like Matt Stryker, Rob Echoes, Mikey Whipwreck, Team Tremendous, Brian Myers, all people who have held the NYWC Tag Team Championships.
So who's who?
Anthony Nese.
Who's who of Long Island wrestling lore?
In fact, the SAT also won. In fact, he was the SAT, took the legendary SAT to defeat the Audacity, to take those NYWC championships off of them.
Sons of the Pine doing a very good job keeping that ring cut in half.
And I gotta ask a question, Alex. Where in the world is Skylar Kincaid? I thought he was in cahoots with these gentlemen.
That is the unanswered question that is hanging in the air here tonight during this tag team matchup. Tag made, Micah Cortez coming in like a house of fire.
He has been
Beautiful
waiting
drop
forever.
kick, cuts down Steve Cooper like a pine tree.
Steve Cooper, worse for wear.
Cover by Micah.
Only a 2 count, however. Going to take much more than that to put these big boys down. action is slowing down here momentarily.
Tag team action will do that from time to time.
Looks
You
like
can
Micah
tell that
Cortez
the tag,
and Steve Cooper brawling on the outside.
the tag from Seth to Micah was very much needed, as Micah brought a whole new dimension to this tag match, cutting off the Sons of the Pine.
Oh, what a kick! Is that like a roundhouse or a spinning wheel kick there?
Whatever it was effective.
And now, wait a minute. With Darkmoor pulling down, or trying to pull him down.
Setting up for that obscene elbow. This is the maneuver that won them the NYWC Tag Team Championships.
The Sons of the Pine taking an L here at the hands of the Audacity.
The Audacity with a huge win in the first ever tag team match here at Chosen Pro Wrestling.
And them Cortez boys.
Wait a second, Al. You were asking where Skylar Kincaid was. He has just appeared at ringside.
Skylar Kincaid, he's attacking the Audacity. Nowhere to be found during the match. And now we've got a gang assault here.
The numbers game coming into play here. It was never 2, it was never 3, it was always 4 for the Sons of the Pine. And 4 will always be greater than 2. I don't care what Bond Brothers have.
Very much a case of better late than never for the Sons of the Pine, extracting their revenge on the Audacity.
And was that brass knuckles he just punched him with?
That certainly was.
Knuckle dusters.
And Darkmoor calling the shots. Oh, look, he gave the knuckle dusters to Darkmoor. Oh, come on. Just like they assaulted and jumped Elijah Eden earlier.
Mark my words. We're not just taking over Chosen. We're taking over the world.
Yeah, some big men they are. Attacking guys after they've had matches from behind. Bunch of freaks.
Well, I don't know what kind of Jim Jones, Kool-Aid, Darkmoor serving, but Kincaid, Steve Cooper, and Oliver have definitely had their fill and then some. And you gotta wonder if that Kool-Aid will infect any other members of the Chosen Pro Wrestling roster.
Well, they've already attacked 3 different men here tonight. And I'm pretty sure that they're going to continue to wreak havoc throughout Chosen Pro Wrestling as time goes on.
The Jersey Devil may be only the second most terrifying thing to come from the Pine Barrens.
I have no interest in camping there.
And listen, while we may have seen them get the exit music, it is the Audacity that got that tag team victory with that obscene elbow onto the Sons of the Pine.
What a tag team match that was, you guys.
Tell them.